Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 14.2. It's called Patterns, Number Rules. It's like the lesson we studied before. Let's start our exercise. There are 6 juice boxes in one pack, 12 in 2 packs, and 18 in 3 packs. How many juice boxes are in 4 packs? In 5 packs, in 6 packs. Use the rule to complete the table. Describe features of the pattern, then find how many juice boxes are in 10 packs and 100 packs. Here we have a table like that. The rule is multiply by 6. Our rule is multiply by 6. Here we have number of packs and number of juice boxes. 1 times 6 is 6. And also 2 times 6 is 12. Also 3 times 6 is 18. So our rule is again multiply by 6. Let's complete the table. 4. We are going to multiply 4 by 6. 4 by 6 equals 24. 5 also multiply by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Also here 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And don't forget that he need to find 10 packs and 100 packs. 10 packs, so it will be 10 multiplied by what? Yes, multiply by 6. 10 by 6 is 60. And also he needs 100. So 100 multiply by 6. 100 times 6 is 600. So according to our rule, it's multiplied by 6. Let's move to another exercise. Here, number 1. The rule for this table is multiply by 4. So our rule is multiply by 4. What number doesn't belong? What number doesn't belong? Let's check. My marbles, John's marbles. Let's check multiply by 4 according to our rule. 1 times 4 is 4. It's right. The next one, multiply by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. It's right also. The third one is multiply by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. It's right. The next one, multiply by 4. 4 times 4 not equals 15. 4 times 4 is 16. So this number doesn't belong to the table. Next question. Complete the table, describe the features of the pattern. Our rule is divide by 4. Our rule is divided by 4. We have total number of wheels and number of cars. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4. What number we are going to multiply by 4 to get 20? Yes, it's a 5 because 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Another question. Here, our rule is multiply by 8. So our rule is multiply by 8. 1 times 8, 1 times 8 is 8, okay? What about 2 times 8? 2 times 8, 16. Yes, 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. What about 4 times 8? 4 times 8 is 32. The next one, 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. So our rule here is multiply by 8. The next question. Our rule is divided by 5. Divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Because any number divided by itself is 1. 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Because 2 times 5 is 10. 15. We are going to divide it by 5. 15 divided by 5. What times 5 equals 15? Yes, it's 3 because 3 times 5 is 15. The next one, 20 divided by 5. What number divided by 5 equals 20? 20 divided by 5 is 4 because 4 times 5 is 20. Excellent. Let's see another exercises. Here we have number 5. Our rule is multiply by 16. We have number of box and weight of box in ounces. 1 times 16, 32. 2 times 16 is 32. What about 3 times 16? Let's make a draft as usual. Put 16 up times 3 down. 3 by 6, 18. Write 8 and carry up 1. 3 by 1 is 3 and I have 1, 4. So the answer here is 48. What about the next one? 4 times 16. Make draft also. 16 up times 4 down. 4 by 6 is 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. 4 times 1 is 4. And I have 2 after 4, 5, 6. So 16 times 4 is 64. The next one, our rule is divided by 2. Each time we are going to divide it by 2. Number of shoes and number of pairs. 12 divided by 2 is 6 because 6 times 2 is 12. 14 divided by 2 is 7 because 7 times 2 is 14. The next one, 16 divided by 2. What times 2 equals 16? Yes, excellent. It's 8 because 8 times 2, 16. 18. 18 divided by 2. What number times 2 equals 18? It will be 9. So 9 times 2 is 80 because 9 times 2 is 18. Here Number 7. The table shows how much money Joe makes babysitting. How much money will Joe make when he babysits for 6 hours? Our rule is multiply by 7. So each time we are going to multiply by 7. 3 times 7 is $21. 4 times 7 is $28. 5 times 7 is $35. What about 6? 6 times 7, who can tell me? 6 times 7 is 42. Excellent. So 6 by 7 is $42. Number 8. The table shows the total number of pounds of potato for different numbers of bags. How many bags does it take to hold 96 pounds of potatoes? Our rule is divided by 8. So the rule is divided by 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9, because 9 times 8 is 72. 80 divided by 8 is 10, because 10 times 8 is 80. 88 divided by 8 is 11, because 11 times 8 is 88. What about 96? 96 divided by 8. What number times 8 equals 96? Yes, the number is 12, because 8 times 12 is 96. Let's make a lot of exercises. Here, our rule is multiply by 12. Multiply by 12. We have number of dozens, number of eggs. 4 times 12 is 48. What about 5 times 12? If you didn't know it, make draft, no problem. 12 up times 5 down. 5 times 2 is 10, 0, and carry up 1. 5 times 1 is 5, and I have 1, 6. So the answer is 60. 6 by 12 is 72, no problem. He answered it. What about 7 by 12? Let's make a draft. 12 up times 7 down. 7 by 2 is 14. Write 4 and carry up 1. 7 times 1 is 7, and I have 1 is 8. So the answer is 84. Number 2. Divide by 9. Our rule is divided by 9. Each time we divide by 9. 54 divided by 9, 6. Equals 6 times 9, 54. 63 divided by 9 is 7, because 7 times 9, 63. What about 72 divided by 9? 72 divided by 9 is, yes, 8, because 8 times 9 is 72. 81 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. I finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. This lesson is very easy. Please don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.